What's up guys, welcome to my channel Think Different. So in this video I'm gonna unbox and I'll be showing you how to solve this. This is the Piramix cube, which I hope you will like. So let's get started with the process. So this is the packing which I have bought from Amazon.com. It's well packed. Now I'm opening the sellotape, and now to remove the cardboard cover. What we're getting inside the box, we are getting of course the Shenshou Piramix cube. And what else we're getting? Oh, this is the bill. My name is printed on the bill. I think you can see it on the camera. And this is the Piramix. Now let's unbox it and check its quality. It's not that bad quality, and the speed is also not bad. I would not say it's quite awesome, but it's good for beginners. I recommend this for beginners. It's not meant for speed cubers, but still the cube is good. The quality is good. Now let's get started with the process of solving the cube. I will hope you will like it. First of all, let us give this cube a good scramble. Then we'll be moving on to the process of solving this Piramix. Let me give. It's a bit tricky because it's a new cube. It's kind of hard somehow. Okay, so I think this will be enough. So now let us see. First of all, in step 1, we need to fix the corners. That is, there are 4 corners in this Piramix cube. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 corners in this cube. So as you can see, here is yellow and here is yellow, but here is red. So we need to make this also yellow. Let us see if it is there or not. No, see, in this piece there is no yellow. There is only red, blue and green. So that implies that the yellow phase will not be formed over here. One yellow is over here, one yellow is over here, and I can see another yellow is right over here. So what we can imply by this, that the face of yellow will be formed over here. So let us twist and form the 3 yellows over there. Yeah, it is formed. Now let us do it for the green too. These 2 greens are fixed. Let us twist this, and yeah, the green did come, and the blue and red are already oriented. Once you orient any 2 colors corners, the other 2 colors will be automatically oriented. Now it's time for us to fix the middle layers. I'm taking the base to be the yellow one, okay, like this. So I'm putting it down, and now at first we'll be solving the middle pieces. There are 3 middle pieces. These 2 will be solving at first. Now you see that there is one green colored middle piece over here. So we need to bring it over here in this way. Then we need again to twist the corners and put it aside. In the same way, we'll be bringing this green piece over here like this, and again twisting the corners and putting aside. Now you can see that these 3 middle pieces are matched. It is not mandatory for this piece, but these 4 pieces are already matched. Now let us do it for the blue. You can see the blue is already done and the red too is already done. Okay, we're in luck. So the base color we chose for is yellow. Now we'll be finding a piece in the middle layer of the cube which is yellow color. For example, you can see this cube, this piece has red and yellow. So obviously this piece will be fitting over here because this is the red face and this is the yellow face. So how to put it over there? We'll be performing a very simple algorithm for this. That is R prime, L prime, R, L. And you can see that this piece is correctly placed in order. Now we'll be doing it for this one also. Here will be the blue and yellow face. So now let us find the blue and yellow face. Yeah, it is over there. Now let us perform this algorithm, but it will be exactly the opposite because the piece is on the left side. That is L prime, R prime, L, R. Simple, isn't it? Now all that is left is this piece for the completion of first layer, that is green and yellow. So now let us find it. Yeah, I can see that this piece is over here. So now let us move this piece to its respective slot. We'll be always remember that we have to put the yellow on top of any of the green middle pieces, like it is over there. Now we need to perform this algorithm. R prime, L prime, R, L. I can see that our middle layer of our Piramix is solved. Congratulations. Now we need to put our green middle piece with our green middle piece, but this is the blue middle piece. Let us move this portion, and you can see the green is already correctly oriented, and this blue is also oriented, and this red is also oriented. Now all we need to fix the problem is of the middle layer. Now how to fix that? Suppose we have to take a face where any one middle piece is already matched. As you can see in this face the blue, this one is already matched. In this face the green is already matched. And in this face nothing is matched, so we will not take this face. We will take either the blue or the green. For example, let us take the blue. Now I will perform the same algorithm again. That is R prime, L prime, R, L. Done. Now you can see that this piece has gone out. Now how to bring it back? You will say that we will bring it back by L prime, R prime, R, L, but that is not the process for this portion. What we need to do is that we'll be putting the blue piece with its middle piece, moving this portion at the top, moving it back, placing it down. Okay, so now we need to do this for this one also, that is R prime, L prime, R, L. Then moving this piece on the right side, moving at the top, and moving it in this side, and moving at the bottom. Done. Now let us do for this one also, R prime, L prime, R, L, like this, like this, like this, and like this. We need to keep on doing this algorithm until a pattern comes. I am doing this algorithm. When the pattern comes, I will tell you. It has still not come. Okay, I think this time it may come. It may not even come. I think it will not come, but let us still give it a try. No, it did not come. You have to keep doing this algorithm until an algorithm comes. But see, you have congratulations, you have solved the entire Piramix cube. But this is not always the case. One more case can come while solving the middle layer. Let me pause the video and show you what's the case. So this is another case that can come while you are solving this cube, that you have solved this cube, but these middle pieces are left, but they have a specific pattern, and this case is most likely to come. We were lucky in the previous time that it had not come. These two blue pieces will be going over here, these two red pieces will be going over here, and these two green pieces will be going over here. That is, they're moving in a clockwise direction. Now in order to make two pieces, consecutive two similar colored pieces to move in a clockwise direction, we need to perform this algorithm, which is quite similar to as the final solve of our 2x2 cube. So now I'm telling the algorithm, please take a note of that. That is R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R. You can see our Rubik's cube is solved. If the case has been exactly the opposite, that is the pieces have to be moved in a anti-clockwise direction, then what we have done? Then we have done this algorithm: R, U, R prime, U, R, U, U, R prime. By doing this algorithm, the cube would have been solved. So guys, thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a like, subscribe to my channel to watch new videos when I release them. Thank you for watching.